Once upon a time there was a city called Nightshade. In this city lived an 8-year-old girl named Nora. But Nora was not like ordinary girls. Her eyes sparkled and her hair shone like silver. The most amazing thing about her was she could turn invisible. Nora's best friend was a cat named Lumina. But Lumina wasn't an ordinary cat either. She glowed at night. Every day, Nora and Lumina would wander through the city streets, having fun together. One evening, as they were walking through the alleys, Nora suddenly heard some strange sounds. Some shadowy figures were hiding in a dark corner, whispering, "We will steal all the light from Nightshade." Nora was startled. "Lumina, if they steal the light, our beloved city will be lost in darkness." Lumina let out a loud meow, as if to say, "Let's stop them." They quietly moved toward the direction of the voices. A little distance away they saw an old building. A man was sneaking inside. Nora whispered, "It looks like this is their hiding place." Dark shadows were guarding the entrance. Nora quickly turned invisible and slipped inside. Lumina stayed outside, making noise to distract the guards. It was very dark inside, but with the help of a glowing light, Nora saw 3 puzzles. 1. In the first puzzle, she had to place mirrors correctly to guide the light to a special spot. 2. In the second puzzle, she had to arrange colorful crystals to create a rainbow. 3. In the last puzzle, she had to decode the path using glowing light marks. Nora solved all the puzzles cleverly. One by one, the doors opened and finally, she reached the room where the stolen light was hidden. There stood a huge shadowy leader. "So you've come, little girl? You can't stop us," he growled. "I won't let you steal the light." Nora replied bravely. The shadow creature attacked, but Nora dodged him by turning invisible, and Lumina pushed them back with her glowing light. In the middle of the chaos, Nora found Professor Glimmer's old workshop in a corner of the room. Inside there was a special machine that could destroy shadows. Nora quickly fixed the machine. "Lumina, hold them off." As soon as the machine turned on, a bright beam of light spread across the room. The shadows began to scream and vanish. The shadow leader shouted, "We'll be back," and then disappeared into the darkness. The light returned to the city. The people were overjoyed. When Nora and Lumina stepped outside, everyone clapped and cheered for them. Professor Glimmer also arrived and said, "Thank you, Nora and Lumina. You saved the city."